to Layla's Fun-Tastic show. This is my little sister.
Leyah.
Today we're going to make some homemade peanut butter chocolate cookies. What you'll need for these cookies is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons of Hershey cocoa, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup butter or margarine softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 2/3 cups of Reese's peanut butter chips.
Okay, Leyah, what are our dry ingredients? What do we mix together right here?
Flour, cocoa powder,
Baking soda
baking soda,
and salt.
and salt.
And we mixed it all right here. These are our dry ingredients. What do we do next? What you have to do now is alternate. You gotta put a little bit in at a time of the cocoa and flour mix. Okay, drop a little, Laylah. And then you mix it in, you drop it.
Stir, and Leah's going to put in the peanut butter chips.
You can put in more than one, Leyah. Okay, not too many, just a little at a time.
I eat one more.
You can eat one more.
Good.
Stir. It's kind of thick. This is what happens when they eat your product. That goes in the cookies, ladies.
So, to make the cookies, you are to use a teaspoon and just drop them by the round. It'll hot if it's up.
Good job, girls.
Thank you.
Are y'all eating the product or putting it in a bowl?
To cook these cookies in a 350-degree oven for 8 to 9 minutes. After you let it cool, you place them on your cookie pan.
Go dry your hand, Leyah.
Thank you, Mama.
Put in your hand. Okay, let Leyah unload the last 3 so you all can taste it. Get you one, Laylah, one of those, and taste it. See how you did.
What about those? We'll take them out now.
Okay. That was yours, Leyah. Taste it, Leyah.
Really good. Where I put my cookie?
You can set it back there.
That was fun.
Oh, you got two. Okay, you want to try one of those fresh ones? Are they soft? How do they taste, Laylah?
They're good. These are the peanut butter chocolate cookies we made. They are delicious. Bye-bye. Today on Layla's Fun-Tastic show, we are preparing a garden to plant different plants.
Mama, some fell on me.
Yes, it did.
A lot fell on me. Huh? Huh?
What things in that stuff y'all messing with over there? Worm gut.
Well, it won't do is just go back.
It will. Lift it up and go back.
See, it still won't.
You can't go deep, Leah. Just the top.
Are you filming for the channel, Mama?
Sure, Laylah. Sure. What kind of seeds are you planting, Laylah?
The crunchy and sweet watermelon seed.
What are these, Laylah and Leyah?
These are tomato plants. You have to be really gentle with these so you don't read green. You drop it, what's that? It's squirrel acorns. We've got squirrel slobber on it. It's like a squirrel slobber. So today on the channel, we're going to be making collages of white people.
Today we're doing Fun-Tastic.
We're doing collages. Uh-oh.
I put her by her brother.
Very good job, Leyah. We're doing collages of people that look just like us. Isn't that right, Leyah?
Look.
Wonderful. All you need are some magazines and newspapers, and we can do collages. Let's see how this one turns out with Leyah. So far, so good. All you need is some glue,
And
poster
scissors.
board, scissors,
And glue.
glue,
And paper.
magazine, any type of printed media will do. Good job, Leyah. Make sure you stick it in a good spot. Very good. This is Mary's collage. Wonderful, Mary.
I like this one cool.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications buttons. And I'll see you next time on Laylah's Fun-Tastic Show.